Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoy this video. For today, we're going to cook chicken tinola with sayote and chili leaves. This dish is good for 5 to 6 persons. The complete list of ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching. We use the wing part, but you can use any part of the chicken. For the sayote, we cut the tip part, then we rub both sides. The color white appearing is the resin. We remove the resin by washing it properly. And then we peel the skin of the sayote. After peeling, we cut it into half. We remove the seed on both sides. And then we cut the sayote. We remove the remaining white part coming from the seed. We cut the sayote into strips, medium strips. Next is the chili leaves. We wash it properly to remove the dust and dirt. Next is we cut the chili leaves. We only use the fresh part. We pour the water and heat the pot in medium heat. We wait for it to boil. When it's already boiling, we remove the oil, dirt, and white substance appearing at the top of the water. When it's already clear, we add the onion, garlic, and ginger. Cover and simmer for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we add the sayote. We also add salt. If you don't have sayote, you can also use papaya. Okay, so we're going to cover and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to add chili leaves. If you don't have chili leaves, you can also use malunggay. And then we add the green finger pepper. We also add salt. You can add or reduce the salt depending on your taste preference, so adjust accordingly. Then we cover and simmer for another 5 minutes. And then we're done! Chicken tinola with sayote and chili leaves. Easy, simple, healthy, and delicious. Try it now! Happy eating! Shout out to Kaz Jafar. Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!